Gormel Cream is used as a moisturizer to treat or prevent dry, rough, scaly, itchy skin and minor skin irritations like diaper rash and skin burns from radiation therapy. Emollients are substances that soften and moisturize the skin and decrease itching and flaking. Some products are used mostly to protect the skin against irritation. Dry skin is caused by a loss of water in the upper layer of the skin. Emollients/moisturizers work by forming an oily layer on the top of the skin that traps water in the skin. Common emollients include petrolatum, lanolin, mineral oil, and dimethicone. Humectants, including glycerin, lecithin, and propylene glycol, draw water into the outer layer of skin. Many products also have ingredients that soften the horny substance, keratin, that holds the top layer of skin cells together. This helps the dead skin cells fall off, helps the skin keep in more water, and leaves the skin feeling smoother and softer. Make sure to use the Gormel Cream as directed and follow all the instructions on the package. If you have any questions, be sure to ask your doctor or pharmacist. Some products may need to be shaken before use, so check the label to see if this applies to your product. Apply the cream to the affected areas of the skin as needed, or as directed by your doctor. The frequency of application will depend on the product and your skin condition. If you are using the cream for dry hands, you may need to apply it every time you wash your hands throughout the day. For diaper rash, make sure to clean the area well and allow it to dry before applying the cream. If you are using the cream for radiation skin burns, check with radiation personnel to see if it can be applied before radiation therapy. Be sure to only apply the cream to the skin and avoid sensitive areas such as your eyes, mouth, nose, and vaginal/groin area unless directed otherwise. Check the label for any specific areas or types of skin where you should not apply the cream and consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details. Use the cream regularly to get the most benefit from it and apply it after bathing or showering while the skin is still damp. If your skin is very dry, your doctor may instruct you to soak the area before using the cream. If your condition persists or worsens, or if you suspect a serious medical problem, seek medical help right away. When using Gormel Cream, you may experience some side effects like burning, stinging, redness, or irritation. If these effects last or get worse, let your doctor or pharmacist know. If your doctor has prescribed this medication for you, they have determined that the benefits outweigh the risks. Some people using this medication may not have any serious side effects, but if you experience unusual changes in your skin or signs of skin infection, contact your doctor immediately. While it is rare, a very serious allergic reaction to this drug could occur. Seek medical help if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects. If you are in the US, call your doctor for medical advice about side effects or report them to the FDA. In Canada, call your doctor or report side effects to Health Canada. Before using Gormel Cream, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. If you have skin cuts, infections, or sores, be sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. Certain ingredients in the cream may make you more sensitive to the sun, so be sure to check the label for any warnings and talk to your doctor or pharmacist about any special precautions you should take when outdoors. If you are prone to acne breakouts, look for the word non-comedogenic on the label, and be aware that some products may stain or discolor clothing. Before undergoing surgery, inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you use. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using this product. Remember that drug interactions can affect how your medications work and may increase your risk for serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and over-the-counter drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Always consult your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. If Gormel Cream is accidentally swallowed, it can be harmful. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing serious symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. To prevent dry skin, you can use lukewarm water for bathing, take baths or showers less often, keep them short, and use a humidifier when the air is dry. Emollient products come in different forms such as oils, creams, lotions, or sprays. Some may contain fragrance or other ingredients that some people may be sensitive to. It's best to consult with your doctor or pharmacist to find the product that's right for you. If you're using Gormel Cream regularly and you forget to use it one day, just use it as soon as you remember. But don't use extra or use it more often than directed to make up for the missed dose. Make sure to check the storage information on the package and ask your pharmacist if you have any questions. Keep all medications away from children and pets. Avoid storing the foam canister near high heat or open flame, as it is under pressure. Do not puncture or burn the canister. Do not flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed. Properly discard this product when it is expired or no longer needed, and consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.